I'm obsessed. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing some passion braids using the 6-inch passion twist hair from Toyotress. And this is in the color 1B. So this bundle comes with 8 packs, and each pack comes with 12 passion twists. So I'm starting off by just untwisting the passion twist, and I am going to be crocheting in 8 pieces total, 4 horizontally and 4 vertically. So as you can see in the back, there are some passion braids that have some color added to them. I have about 20 braids in my hair, and because I'm using so many pieces, because I want the braids a little thicker, this pack was not enough for this size of braids. So I just added some other passion braid hair that I have from Toyotress. This is actually the 8-inch, and I will put the color on the screen. So for the front, I'm just using the color 1B with the 6-inch passion twist hair, and then the back is where I added some color. So I decided that I wanted to add some beads to the end, and I ended up breaking my bead feeder while trying to put the beads on here. So I just started using a bobby pin, and it worked just as well. So after installing all of the braids, I just went in with some mousse just to tame the frizz and set the style in place. So I absolutely love how the braids came out. As you can see, they do have that little bend in them, which the passion braid or passion twist also normally have. So I wasn't really feeling that look, so I decided to do something a little different. So I went in and removed all of the beads and I barreled the ends, which gave me a shorter look so you can see less of the bend. And I am absolutely obsessed with these results. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you tried this style before? Will you be trying this style? Let's chat it up in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.